Abortion rights groups across the country experienced a tidal wave of financial support this week after a leaked Supreme Court draft decision to tentatively overturn Roe v. Wade was made public. Elliot Kaza, a senior communications strategist with NARAL Pro-Choice America, said donations to the group skyrocketed 1,400% the day after Politico first reported that the Supreme Court may overturn the landmark case, which would leave the fate of abortion rights in the hands of individual states. About half of the supporters were first-time donors, Kaza told NPR. The organization raised more online in a single day than ever before, Kaza said. Act Blue, a Democratic fundraising platform, said it raised $12 million on Tuesday after the news broke. The Abortion Care Network said it raised $250,000 since the court's draft decision was leaked, the largest influx of donations the association has seen. The DC Abortion Fund raised an unprecedented amount of donations, $132,377 in 2 days, said Devin Simpson, its communications director. Generally, when abortion-related news breaks, we see an unprompted outpouring of support from our community and individual donors. We tend to see a lot of support, particularly on social media, encouraging people to donate to funds specifically, Simpson told NPR. Madeline Webster, 28-year-old social worker in St. Louis, Missouri, donated to a local abortion fund. She said she knows firsthand how important it is to have access to an abortion. She met a fellow student in need during her first week of college at Indiana State University in 2011. The two of them were riding in an elevator when Webster asked her fellow student how she was doing. The young woman broke down into tears and shared with Webster that she had just found out she was pregnant, Webster said. She said she drove the student to Planned Parenthood, and though she never asked if she had an abortion, Webster said the student didn't appear to be pregnant as the school year came and went. Webster didn't think much of it until years later when she was sexually assaulted and she too sought help. I could have been living a really, really different life, she said. She said she donated because in her eyes it's the least she can do. It makes me feel a little more like I'm making a difference, she said.